Jai Hind, all of you. I welcome you all in the US hegemony in the world politics. Dear students and dear friends, in the previous modules or the previous video, I talked about the Clinton era, which started from 1992 till the beginning of 2001 January. That is the time period, what we can say, in the Clinton era, that was very peaceful in USA. And if you can see all the activities of Bill Clinton during that the tenure of the presidency, he was the president of USA twice for 8 years. He was a very peaceful, you can say, and a benevolent ruler. He do believe in democracy. So democracy establishment के ऊपर ही वो बहुत सारे काम किए हैं. And उनके tenure में, because of the cool attitude or such type of attitude of USA, the other problems aggravated across the year. Right? In the previous video during the time of the Bill Clinton also we talk about Osama bin Laden and the terrorist organizations Al Qaeda. So more or less all of you know about 9/11 attack. That's otherwise known as Global War on Terror. Everyone knew this particular day. This is the black day in the history of the world, not only in the USA, in the history of the world. The ever worst terrorist attack took place in USA. The mighty superpower USA were not able to save themselves from this terrorist attack. And after that, the terrorism was being recognized across the world. It's not a problem of a particular country like India and Pakistan, in between India and Pakistan. Rather, it's a global issue or global problem. So what was that attack of 9/11? Right? This attack took place in September 11, right? At that time, the president of United States of America was Bush Jr., right? He was the son of George Bush, Bush Jr. He took the command of USA after Bill Clinton in January 2001 and continued till 2009. He belongs to Republican Party. He was very ruthless and ruthless leaders like his father. The senior Bush, during his time, the Gulf War first being fought, and during his tenure, he saw the devastation like this 9/11 and the Gulf War II also being fought under his leadership. 9/11 already I told you it's known as Black Day. September 11 attacks, also called 9/11 attacks. What happened exactly? More or less, you people knew it. Series of airline hijackers. एयरक्राफ्ट को हाईजैक कर लिया गया. इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग बीइंग डन. एंड द सुसाइड अटैकर्स committed it was in the year 2001 by 19 militants, and these 19 militants, they are associated with Al Qaeda. That's an Islamic extremist terrorist group against target in the United States. And this deadliest terrorist attack, this is ever being known in the history of America and the world, was the mastermind. Mastermind was Osama bin Laden, otherwise popularly known as Bin Laden. Al Qaeda leader Osama bin Laden is considered to be the mastermind of 9/11, and he was being supported by his right hand, Khalid Sheikh Mohammed. He took the command of the operations and planning. कैसे किया जाएगा? So he made the statistical tactical planning, you can say tactical innovations of using hijack the plane from their own country. US से ही एयरक्राफ्ट को हाईजैक किया जाएगा और उसी को उन्हीं के कंट्री के अगेंस्ट में यूज़ किया जाएगा. So all those strategy being made by Khalid Sheikh Mohammed and the rest of the support provided by the Al Qaeda Supremo Osama bin Laden, the personnel, money, logistic support, and how to execute this operation. Osama bin Laden, you can see, and Khalid Sheikh. They are the two mastermind. Osama bin Laden said to be the mastermind of 9/11, and Khalid Sheikh was the left hand of this 9/11. Then what happened? 19 terrorists. Already I told you. 19 terrorists, most of whom were from Saudi Arabia. एंड इट्स ए लॉन्ग रन प्लानिंग, कोई ओवर द नाइट प्लानिंग नहीं हुआ था. These 19 terrorists, they established themselves in the United States. United States में रहते थे. They have received the commercial flight training, क्योंकि उनको ऐसे ही करना था. That's why I told it's a long run planning. Commercial flight training लिए, so that they can fly. They can being acted as pilots. They can fly those aircrafts. And all 19 hijackers, they hijacked 4 planes, attacked, and all of them they died. That's why they are known as Fidain Humlavar. Or the suicide, you can say. The terrorist, the attack, and being killed. Planning. American Airlines Flight 11. Please listen to very carefully. Listen to very carefully. Flight 11. This is the name of the flight. And United Airlines Flight 175. ये 2 flight, right? ये 2 aircraft. Right? In the later period of time, I will be telling you कहाँ से उड़ा था और कैसे हुआ. These 2 aircraft flown into WTC, World Trade Center. That's the twin center, twin towers, you can say. World Trade Center, the north and the south towers, and completely ruined, smashed. Another American Airlines Flight 77 hit the Pentagon. That was the defense office, you can say. All the defense operations being usually done from Pentagon, and that was hit and completely collapsed. United Airlines Flight 93, they are planning, you can say, bal baj gaye. They are planning to hit the US Capitol building, Washington DC, maybe White House, but unfortunately, in their terminology, you can say, it made an accident, crashed near Pennsylvania. So this is the path what I was talking about. From, you can see the first path, this is from Boston. The 2 aircraft flew from Boston, and both of them, they went to World Trade Center. They hit World Trade Center, the twin center, World Trade Center. So from Boston, it went to New York and hit World Trade Center. Right? The second one, you can see it flew from New York, hijacked, and it was supposed to go to Washington DC. It's supposed to go to Washington DC, right, in order to crash White House, but it was near Pennsylvania. This is what you can see, the name of the place where it crashed. And the fourth one, this is American Airlines Flight number 77. The first one from Boston, this is American Airlines Flight 11 and 175. From New York, which met an accident, that's United Airlines Flight 93. And from Washington, it flew from Washington and again came back to Washington, and this is American Airlines Flight 77, and it hit Pentagon. So this is what the path, you can say, they made the path, and simultaneously in one particular day these things being made. So destructions, an order of about 2,750 people were killed in New York, 184 in Pentagon, 40 in Pennsylvania, and 19 terrorists and more than 400 police officers and the firefighters were killed in the incident. This is the photographs aftermath, after attack, Pentagon buildings. You can see how it's demolished. This is the Twin Tower. This you can see, the fourth one crashed in Pennsylvania. And aftermath, what immediately US did, that all the suspected across the world, they arrested and kept them in Guantanamo Bay. This already you read about in the junior classes, in the other classes. Guantanamo Bay, these prisoners were being kept there and the interrogation being started. Guantanamo is a place, you can say, it's an island in Cuba, and it was an American naval base. वहाँ पे उनको बहुत लंबा टाइम रखा गया एंड इंटरोगेटेड करके पता लगाया गया कि इसके पीछे कौन था, एंड ऑल दोज क्लूज एंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज बीन टेकन, एंड लेटर ऑन दे वेज्ड ए वॉर against Iraq and at the same time against Al-Qaeda in Afghanistan, and later the Al-Qaeda supremo Osama bin Laden was captured and killed.